Take command of the road in the 2007 Infiniti G35X. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has just over 90,000 miles. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Infiniti prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including front and rear reading lights, a leather steering wheel, a power seat, heated seats, front fog lights, and more. Infiniti ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Sophisticated all-wheel drive technology maintains a firm grip on the road. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.